I know this video has been long awaited, you know, talking about my so I thought it'd be cool if we got ready together. As y'all see, I curled my hair like most of y'all voted on my Instagram. If y'all still haven't gone, go add me. Guys, go add me on my Instagram. Well, it's crystal.flowers.beauty inc. So yeah. Alright, but anyway, so I'm gonna start off with, y'all already know, my Tarte primer. I'm gonna color my face while we chit chat and talk about what's been going on. So, most of y'all know my grandma that we had been praying for a whole 2 months or 3 passed away on July 8th, a month exactly from my dad's birthday. Many of y'all know I wasn't posting as much when I was over there. We were in Laredo, Texas, to go visit them over there. Basically, we were there for 3 weeks. To be honest, when I was over there, I was not even worried about my fitness because obviously I was stressing about my grandma and, you know, just worrying about her. But at that point, 2 days prior to my grandma's passing, so July 6th, I had weighed myself because, you know, I was like anticipated. I was like, oh gosh, I probably gained so much weight. And I think the last time I weighed myself, I'd weighed 192 point something. So, but this was during the daytime, so I weighed 197, which means in the morning I weighed like 194. So I was around the same. I hadn't gained any weight. I was just, you know, still doing, during the day I gained like 3. So we're gonna go in with the Tarte in medium and put that on our eyelids, obviously. But anyways, and who hates when they forget to wet their sponge? How annoying. Be back, guys.
Just went to go with my sponge to blend out the concealer.
Yeah, so we had gone over there to Laredo and I weighed 197 last time I weighed myself, which was 2 days prior to my grandma's passing. And so I was just like, okay, well, you know, I haven't gained nothing. Good, right? Alright, so my grandma's funeral comes. And the whole time I was over there, I wasn't eating correctly. Like, I would just eat here and there. And I think that's also why, I don't know. But I was just eating here and there. I wasn't really eating, like, you know, how I was supposed to be eating. Because most of the time we were in the hospital and just, like, there for a lot of hours until we could visit her. And, so, yeah. Grandma's funeral comes. And that night they had brought pizza to eat. And I think I ate, like, 3 slices. Yes, and a soda. And knowing myself, I already know that I gain so easy. So, like, really, Crystal, are you dumb? Because, are you dumb or are you dumb? Like, for real. Usually I won't eat past 6 because I know myself already. My body, it takes longer to digest and everything. That's just how I'm made. And, it's just crazy because I can lose weight super fast, but I can gain it super fast really easily. It's just really depressing. But anyways, so yeah, just everywhere, guys, sorry. But so yeah, the day after my grandma's funeral, was the day that we left to go back to our house. The day we went back, and I didn't think much of it, you know. I thought I was gonna be weighing the same, you know what I'm saying. Comes out to be, guys, that I get home, weigh myself, you know, because I'm not feeling too good right now. Something's going on. So I go to the restroom. I've been on the same thing like for 4 hours straight now. Okay, anyways, so now we're gonna go in with, y'all already know, my Fit Me loose powder in 20. I'm gonna use this Real Technique multitask brush. So anyways, and then weigh myself. Guess what, guys? I weighed 204 pounds. The ones, like, that's like the one thing I always said that I was never gonna get up to there, and I got there, guys. 204 pounds, like, really, right now? Y'all should have seen how I was freaking out when I saw that number on there. It's like, how did I gain 5 pounds in one night, really? So I'm gonna go in with the Jaclyn Hill palette. We're gonna take my blending brush.
Morphe 443 brush.
I'm gonna go in with this color right here. This like yellowy color thing. What is it called? Creamsicle. We're gonna go in with that shade for the outer crease. So let's put that thing on here. So yeah, I was, you know, freaking out about that. I was just like, what in the world is going on right now? Like, I was like, how did I gain so much weight? Like, that's not even possible. So since then, I had been like really discouraged. I was like, I'm not ever gonna be able to get back down. Like, this is taking longer than it should. I should have been like way down already. Like, literally the first time after I had my daughter, I lost like 40 pounds. And I lost it all in 1 month. 1 month it took me only. And like now, it's taking me forever. Like, I'm just like, what is going on? Why am I taking so long? And then, so I was trying to get back down under the 200s. And right now, I'm at exactly like 199. So I've lost a few pounds, but it's been like almost a month. So to be honest, that's not really something to be proud of. To be honest, I just haven't been giving it my all. Like, it's just I'm so busy, I'm lazy. To be honest, that's just the truth. I'm lazy because I could have lost it way by now. And I don't know, like, it's just depressing. Like, it makes me like feel so bad about myself. Like, it's just so hard not to get it's just so hard not to like give into fast food because it's so delicious. But I really, to be honest, I really don't eat as often fast food. It's just that I have to exercise, and I only exercise like randomly. Like, whenever I'm like, yep, I need to exercise, I'm feeling really horrible. So obviously exercise makes you feel better, but I'm just like, wow. So now we're gonna take my e.l.f. blending brush, and I'm gonna take this where is it at? This little color right here. I think it's called Hunts.
My crease right here. I'm gonna blend those together. That's what has been going on, guys. Like, I don't know what to even say anymore. Like, it's just depressing. Like, I'm not getting where I want to. It's taken me like 20,000 years, to be honest. And it's just hard.
It's like been really hard for me this time around to try to lose weight. I want it so bad, but I think because I want it so badly, like, I'm just looking at the end results like, okay, yeah, I gotta get there, and then I give up because I'm trying so hard, instead of knowing that it's gonna be a process and that I'm not gonna lose it like overnight, which is what I wish would happen, but obviously that's not gonna happen. So yeah, I don't know, like, to be honest, this has been really difficult. It's been like really hard. I've been getting like depressed randomly because like I put on my clothes and it's just so depressing because I have so much clothes, so much skinny clothes, and like
I've never been like this big in my life, guys. Like, I've always been skinny when I was younger, and I don't know, it's just like weird to think that I'm actually up to this much weight. I know I'm older and my body's changing, but there's still no excuse to be that big. No excuse at all. So now we're gonna go in with...
Alright, so I'm gonna take this brush to make like a little cut crease with the same primer. Like, I just want to cry, guys. Half the time I just want to cry. And it's like so hard, like
I don't know how to explain because y'all probably don't understand how I feel, but like, it's just really depressing to think I'm that big.
and I'm sorry for all those that have been following me, like waiting for like these huge results, and I'm over here like fat still. Like, I don't know. I've learned to like love myself as I am right now, but it's really hard because I want to be, you know, skinny already. And
I really, if y'all watch this video, like, I want y'all to comment down things that y'all did because, like,
I know what to do, exactly what to do to lose weight, because I've lost weight before. After I had my daughter, I gained like up to almost 200 pounds. I weighed 198. But I lost 20 right after, so I was like 170. And I ended up going, my lowest was 130, I think. So it's like, I was dedicated, like I was motivated that time though, like I lost it. Oof, like everybody was just like, what in the world, you lost that quick? Like it didn't even look like I had a child. But and like,
yeah, it's just been really difficult to take. I'm gonna take this other brush and this beautiful teal glish color on my eyelid. So we're gonna do. Anyways, but
so yeah, that's what's been going on with me, guys. I don't know, to be honest, kind of. Like, I really want to lose weight, guys, but if y'all have any tips or something to do, like I drink a lot of water. Like that's not even a problem for me. I love water and I drink it every day, like a lot of it. And so that's not a problem for me, water, but I hardly ever drink soda. Just like once on an occasion. And I'm gonna go back in with this brush and we're gonna get this shade right here to blend it all together. Excuse me. I don't know what else to do, guys, but I'm gonna do the other eye off camera, so I'll be right back.